Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are reviewing the Nothing Air 2024. I got it on sale from Amazon for around 119, 120, somewhere around that. And I mean, for the price of it and for the reviews that I saw, it was a great deal, right? So I grabbed a pair. We'll go through the unboxing of these and then we'll review some things that are there, my thoughts. We'll go through a mic test as well in a noisy environment and in a quiet environment both. So you can hear it from a person that's not paid to get this, who pays for all these things, and you can check if they're good for you. So let's jump right into it. Let's go and check the unboxing for this, and then we'll come and we'll just pair it up and we'll see some features. So we're doing the unboxing for the Nothing Air. I bought the 2024 one, so the packaging seems pretty cheap. It looks like it's a cheap set of headphones, earbuds. Oh no, this is nice. Oh, Nothing app, very nice. Okay, you know I don't like tearing this up. Ooh. Okay, so it looks good. Like, I was not expecting, like when I was checking it on reviews and stuff, it was not looking really good, but in the hand it does look significantly better. What is this? This is the charging. Oh, they do give a charging cable. So we have a charging cable, type C to type C, right? Yeah. And then we have the buds, the small, medium, large. So small. Oh, two smalls, a pair of small. Okay guys, so welcome back. We have the buds with us. So the first impressions on the entire thing is that the case, while it looks really good, if I compare it to my, let's say, AirPods 2, the case is very different. You know, as you can see, the size difference is huge. Like, it's almost double the size of my AirPods Pro 2 case. Or if I go through with my, this is my Pixel, it always confuses me. If I go with my Pixel Buds 2 Pro, it's still the case size wise, maybe it's thinner than this, I don't know, but the size wise it's really big. I didn't like that. Though it's still pocketable and everything, but I still think the case is a bit bigger than I would have wanted. The good part is that it's wirelessly chargeable, so you can charge it wirelessly. That's not a problem. Now, this plastic, this is like cheap plastic. I'll break it. I trust me, this plastic, because and it's plastic, it's really scratch prone, and you'll see scratches all around. And then you see overall the design choices. If you see, there's so much. Maybe some people like it, but there's a lot of space that is left without probably a reason. But what would I know? I'm just making videos in my room with this camera on. But there is this whole space there which I think has been not utilized, or I don't know. Maybe they would have given a screen, like the sound card has started doing that now. So it's already paired with my phone right now. So what I'll do is, and you'll just see this screen somewhere on the side. So when I open this, it would get connected, and it would show that, you know, the case battery is this, the left, right, this, and we'll put it in. Now, while I'm doing this, I'll also want to mention that the sounds that it makes, they're like very binary. I don't know if you guys understand. It's like very robotic kind. That's not necessarily a good thing. Some people again might like it. So there are particular choices that they made that I don't know if I like it or not. So let's open the app. Let's see how it looks like in the app, and obviously you can see it here. So it has bass enhance. I have kept it on. I really like the sound that comes out of this. It's really bass heavy and everything, so that's good. Noise control right now is set to transparency, but I can still like, it's not natural. The transparency is not good. I would, if I rate the AirPods Pro 2 transparency a 10 out of 10, I would rate this transparency around 6. The Pixel Buds Pro 2, again, I got the right one this time. The Pixel Buds Pro 2 transparency is almost about 8, I would say, because they do really sound natural. No comparison to AirPods Pro 2. Jabra, these are the Jabra Elite 10 Gen 2. The transparency on these are very good. They're, I would say, 9, 8, 9. But the white noise, it it drives me crazy. It's so bad. I got a headache after 1 hour. And then you can lower down the transparency and it would get better. So on full transparency level 5, it was really bad. But anyway, it's not about Java. We'll talk about that later. So transparency wise, it's not that good. Noise control, I don't know. No, I can still, my window is closed, but I can still hear some sounds out from out the window. So transparency is not good. You have those high, mid, low, adaptive, all those adaptive. I don't think it even works. So transparency and noise cancellation not good. Again, 6.6. Overall, they have a very good detail equalizer. I have not used it comprehensively. Again, I'm not an audiophile. I'm just a normal person listening to normal music, maybe metal, maybe all those genres, but I don't know. Then so they have those advanced EQs. I don't know if this sounds good. Maybe I'll hear from you guys that these are the worst. This is the worst EQ you could have said. But I have just kept it on more bass. There's a personalized sound option. So which tells you what kind of things it was like a 10-minute sound test, and they gave 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here, the beeps those were coming in and out. It was really comprehensive, and they told me that these are your test results and etc etc. And based on that you should, so what I understood from that test was that the treble should be a little higher than what normal treble is, so that I can hear the vocals much better. I can hear those sound profiles much better. But I don't like it personally. I like more bass and more towards the bass. So I haven't kept that on necessarily. And sometimes when I'm listening to podcast, I would. Overall, I have kept it on more bass. You can keep it on balanced or whatever voice. See, it's so finicky. I mean, the touch goes later. So app is good. Control wise, the controls are all there, but what I've noticed is that, but this could be muscle memory. So I was a heavy user of AirPods Pro 2. AirPods Pro 2, I was just like doing this, but for this, it's a little bit inside. It's a little indented inside. So and they came out okay, but I could, this would work. Music started playing, but you cannot slide it. I hate that. It's just, so as it says, it's just double pinch, triple pinch, pinch and hold, double pinch and hold, single pinch. So single pinch is play and pause, so that's fine. It started playing. It started doing that. These are obviously customizable, not obviously, but these are customizable. So the double pinch, you can skip back, forward. You can go through the controls, but there's no mic mute functionality while you're on call, so that's a bummer, I would say. So yeah, I mean, when you go through the controls, you can go through the controls from here directly, or you can touch this and you can say okay, left, and then right, what controls you want to set, so you can do that. So that's fine. So yeah, I think that's pretty much about it. There's in-ear detection if you want to keep it on or keep it off. Right now it's off. Low lag mode, you can turn it on for gaming and stuff. Then there is the codecs that you can use. So they have LHDC, LDAC, and AAC. I've kept it on this. If I change it, it says you have to reboot it. But I haven't, again, I haven't observed a lot of sound difference. dual connection, I do have that option. I can connect to multiple devices. They are right now connected to multiple devices, in fact. So I can do that, two connections at one time, and then all those other uh, settings. So overall, I think if I give my overall conclusive analysis on this, before I do that, let's go to the mic test. So what we're doing is we're doing a mic test right now. I have moved away from doing the voice recorder mic tests because that doesn't necessarily sound really. I mean, it's not the best. So I'm making a live call and I'll record it on a voicemail and then put that on in the video. So let's go.
Hi, this is Sabi. This is the mic test for the Nothing Air 2024 in a non-noisy environment. So it's a quiet room and I'm talking over my phone. This is how I normally would talk, but if there's someone there or someone outside and I want to keep my voice a little low, so this is how I would talk. And yeah, the things are doing well. The projects are running fine. I think I like the Nothing Air 2024 earbuds. So yeah. I think that's fine. And I'm about to step into a noisy environment. I'm going into a restaurant to get a coffee. So I've opened the door and I'm going in. And while I'm going in, I'm also talking to you guys. So I hope you guys can hear me fine. And this is just me jabbering around, just to give you a real life example. So this is as natural as I can get. Now I'm in a noisy environment and I'm talking in my normal voice and I'm talking to people around. As well. So I'm on the phone at this point, and now I am stepping out of the cafe. So I'm out of the cafe, and I don't know how that sounds like, but you'd be able to tell that while when you are hearing this.
So this was the mic test for you guys. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. I've tried to keep it as natural as I could. Obviously, in a simulated environment, natural in a simulated environment. But my overall conclusive arguments to this buds are that they're absolutely amazing for the price that they are for. So if you're getting it for 120, 130 even, the quality of sound that you get is unmatched in the sense of this section. My OneBuds Pro 3 are coming in today, so I would be testing those out too. So this might change. Like when I say unmatched, the OneBuds Pro 3 might sound closer or better. The AirPods Pro 2 sound quality doesn't. I mean, the quality of the AirPods Pro 2 is not that good. So the Buds Pro 2 is good, but not on the level of Nothing Air. I would say Nothing Air is still better. Jabra, however, beats Nothing by a mile, but Jabras are expensive. So Jabra Elite 10 Gen 2 I got it for around a couple of hundred, like $200. But that those are on with sale and everything. But it's like $100 leap forward, right? So in $100 leap forward, they do sound better. I think their mic also sounds better. But overall, these are my thoughts on the Nothing Air 2. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps you in making a decision if you want to get it or not. Prime Day, the last day of Prime Day is today. If you get a deal for it, I haven't seen the deal come on for Nothing Air 2 right now. But best of luck. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.